my name is Georgie. Today, I am going to teach you how to use the words how much and how many. Much and many are both adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun, and a noun is a thing. For example, a house or a car. The words much and many both mean there are lots of houses or lots of cars. So not just one car or two cars or even three cars, but lots of cars. We use many when you can count the noun. For example, 1,000 cars or 500 houses. There are many cars or there are many houses. You can never say there are much houses or much cars. You only use much when you cannot count the noun. Think about water. You cannot count water. We never say one water or two waters. This is completely wrong. With water, we use much. For example, there is much water under the ground. Wind is the same. You cannot count wind. You can't say one wind, two winds. We say there is much wind. Money is another example. Normally, we talk about dollars, euros, or pounds, which you can count. But money, we never say one money or two monies. We always say, she hasn't got much money. Do you see the difference between much and many? If you can count something, use many. And if you can't count it, use much. Have fun with the exercises. Good luck.